but everyone gets a piece of it. Everyone gets something, but so this encourages competition and accountability and putting in effort and studying at home. So the quality of our students is going to be insane. All right, it's going to be insane. I can't even imagine what's going to happen. I can't. I can. The closest thing I can imagine to what will happen once every student is making $2,000-$3,000 a day. Every student around the world, in the entire world, every student in the world earns $1,000 or $2,000 a day. The kind of societies we will have to build. Thanks for watching this clip. If you want to get your hands on some marks, make sure to go to our website, gangfoundation.us.to, and get some marks. You don't want to miss this opportunity.